season. The deadline to file your taxes is April 30th, 2023. So welcome back to my Get Your Shit Together series, or the Gist series as I like to call it. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to file your tax return using Wealthsimple Tax. It's free, it's easy, it's quick, and they are really good at dumbing things down, make it easy for you to understand. So save your money, do it yourself this year. Let's get into it. Let's talk about what you're gonna need. You're gonna need to have a My CRA account. If you don't have one, I'll put the link below. Click on that, set up. It's super easy. Just make sure you put that information in a safe place because it's all your government information. Like, the second thing you're gonna need is a Wealthsimple account. I've already got mutual funds and RRSPs open with Wealthsimple. And if you do as well, then the account that you use to sign into that will be the same account information that you use to sign into Wealthsimple Tax. If you don't have a Wealthsimple account yet, it's super easy to sign up. Click the link in my description. Follow the steps to register and you're set. The third thing you're gonna need is your banking information. I like to consolidate all my banking information because you're gonna wanna have that to access as well. So your second step is going to be logging into the Wealthsimple Tax and beginning the transfer of information. When you go to the website, you'll get to the home page like this. You're going to just click on Get Started and it will take you through the sign on, or you're going to log in using your login information. The main page is going to look like this. It'll say your 2022 tax return. What I did first was I went to this section here where it said autofill your return. It'll take you down to this section, and what it asks you to do is you can connect with your CRA account to transfer all of the T4 information that you've got on there. It'll automatically do it, and you can also connect with your crypto exchanges if you're not trading crypto in Wealthsimple. You want to take yourself to the top and just go top to bottom. It's the easiest that way. Make sure you don't miss anything. Next section it takes you to is the net file access code. They give a really easy to understand description here, but essentially this is why you want to have your My CRA account accessed and opened. It's going to be a lot of, okay, let me get this from here, let me patch this from here, but when you consolidate all your information, it's really easy to do. The next is your mailing address, your residence, and they just ask you some miscellaneous questions, yes or no. Wealthsimple's really cool because even if you don't know a lot of things, they will give you the details. You'll see they'll have question marks, kind of guiding you on where to go, and then I can just do the process of elimination and figure out if that applies to me. You'll get to a manage your tax forms area. That's where your information from your T4 is going to migrate over, and so this is where you want to sort of spend the most time reading and making sure you understand what you're agreeing to or applying for or exempting yourself from. A big thing you're going to want to do is add your RRSP contributions. Whatever you invested in your RRSP gets taken off your income. That's really good. It's something that I really didn't think was important, but this year my RRSP contributions changed my return from owing $800 to actually having a surplus of $1,200 that I'm going to get now. I'm getting a return for the first time in ever. Once you've entered your main things, aka your T4 information and your RRSP information, you're going to want to look at what else you're eligible for. Go into this Manage Your Tax Forms section. There's a search bar. When you click on that, it categorizes everything. If you go to school, maybe you click on education. Did you pay post-secondary tuition? If you paid interest on your student loans, if you received a scholarship, a bursary, or any grants, click on that, fill that out. If you're a homeowner, maybe you bought a house this year, there's a moving expenses deduction that you could be eligible for. Just take a look and take your time during this segment of your tax return. Make sure that you enter every single thing that applies to you. Make sure that you're getting what you deserve and not maybe, an additional credit. It's fun to get the money up front, but the government, I don't know what they do, but they will find you and they will kill you. You didn't hear it from me. If you guys are finding this video helpful and easy to understand, please like, subscribe, comment. I love it. It really helps. So there's a subscribe button. Is it here? Is it here? So the last step for you guys is going to be to double check your information. Wealthsimple also has a great tool. It's called the Review and Optimize section, where they will also help to double check your return to make sure that you're maximizing your refund. They'll also give you warnings. Thanks for using the autofill, but remember, it's still your responsibility to report all your income on the return. Your CRA might not have all your information on file. You have to make sure that if you did receive any other T4s, if you did work for any other companies last year, to make sure you consolidate all your T4s and that they're all documented in your return. When everything looks good, you'll see the note. You can't find any errors on your return. Looks like you're ready to submit. You've double checked everything and made sure you're good to go, made sure there's no duplicate, and made sure you reported all your income. Then you go to submit. Once you've submitted, they give you a breakdown of your tax return. So as you guys can see, I'm getting gonna get $1,400. Great. If you don't finish it today, everything is saved as you go, so you can log out. When you log back in and have your information ready, it'll pick up where you left off. Once you have submitted your tax return, you're gonna get a confirmation number. You can save a PDF of it, and that's about it. And that's it! You did it! That is so exciting. You just got your shit together. Congratulations. Wealthsimple is out here making it that much easier for us to save money. I didn't have to pay nobody to do my taxes. It's dumbed down just like we like it. So if you liked the video or you found it helpful, please subscribe. Comment when you've submitted your taxes. I want to know if it was easy for you, if you had any issues, or maybe there's another free software that you guys use that you prefer. Let me know which one it is. I'll see you next week. Bye.